that one fair treat it fuck up about the shan.
In continue sonny,
and the only way they can treat his fuck up is that they know he's a flirt. I can say, and the best way they can do it is use a girl. I can tell you all for free. 101%. Princess here, she's a university graduate. She knows the implication of using a minor to set anybody up.
And sir, no comment.
You know what it is? Only princess here so for Olopa. So Olopa, Tolo won't padà fi de fún ló wá ní kó mú ọmọ tí ò tí lè dá pinnu ara ẹ̀ ṣe kó fi set àgbàlagbà.
And imagine atrocities don't call me titi poju. See only pass anywhere. Atrocity here ti wa glaring. As in actress to law school. Actress to law school there was this thing more than 5 hours. So supposed to
there is something hidden láàrin Baba Jesha àti Princess. Táwọn méjèèjì ò fẹ́ sọ síta because it's a dirty still secret.
Exactly.
So they might bring down àwọn méjèèjì totally. So nǹkan tẹ́mi rí nínú story ẹni pé.
Brilliant.
Nǹkan tẹ́mi wá rí nínú ẹ̀ ni pé the only way tí Princess lè fi treat Baba Jesha fuck up òun ni láti bring up that story, that setup. Because nínú story here, because I am following up this story from the beginning. Nǹkan tó sọ fún wa nípa ọmọ yẹn is 14 years old. Nínú story nínú video tó generate insane, that girl doesn't look like a 14 years old.
Simple. Baba, she
treat fuck up máa yẹn ni. Ọlọ́mọ ẹ̀ka tẹ́nítìkà. Ọlọ́mọ ẹ̀ka ṣẹni tí ò ní dáríjì wá.
Another worst part of it is this. This is logical. Baba Jesha is a rapist. I am very sure Baba Jesha is closer and had access to Princess than that girl. Question the man, why hasn't Baba Jesha raped you, Princess?
Because in every stories, there should be an atom of truth in it.
Another thing, don't worry, logical. I am your colleague.
Yeah.
You said this girl told your friend that, when I was 7-year-old, Baba Jesha did this to me. Later, he used car key to... Now, your mind will be like, 7-year-old. So that means Baba Jesha loves to touch children. Now, you now wanted to set him up, which you're not supposed to do. You wanted to set him up. You are now setting him up with a grown-up girl who has the features of an adult who has been having sex. And then, the story Princess gave was that the girl, when she sees Baba Jesha on TV, oh my God, she's suffering trauma for 7 years. And I said, it is against the law. The only way you can force the girl to sit in that situation is because the girl rely on you for food, shelter, and guide. And then you forced her against a fundamental human right to be there, to submit herself.
Nigerian law is not, they are not stupid though. Power past power, it's obvious.
Children in UK, in Canada, in America are not different to children in Nigeria. If it is the same child protection law, the only thing what they said was they are a constituted contributor to that society. A woman they want to support a mother using her own child as pawn, as a bait for a sexual predator. A woman you want the same girl to suffer PTSD because you want to gather evidence. No common sense, no logic, no legal framework to allow such criminality. But because there are so many criminals coming out to say they are bloggers, most of them, they don't have identity. Some of them are psycho, mental cases, criminals. A lot of them do not have pedigree, they don't have a reputation. They be in charge of anonymous bloods, and then you allow them to